Hi, I'm Sarah. I just moved in next door. Hi, Sarah. Welcome to the building. I'm Aisha, your neighbor. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you too, Aisha. I'm still getting settled, but I'm really excited to be here. Moving can be a lot of work. If you need any help or have any questions about the neighborhood, feel free to ask. Thank you, Aisha. I appreciate that. Actually, I'm still getting to know the area. How long have you been living here? I have been here for about 3 years now. It's a really nice neighborhood, and I'm sure you will like it. That's good to hear. I'm looking forward to exploring the area. So, what's the neighborhood like? Are there any good places to eat or shop nearby? Oh, definitely. There's a great little cafe just round the corner called Cafe Delight. They have amazing coffee and pastries. I go there all the time. That sounds wonderful. I will have to check it out. What about grocery stores? There is a supermarket just a few blocks away that has everything you will need. It's really convenient. And if you are into fresh produce, there is a farmer's market every Saturday morning at the park. A farmer's market? That's perfect. I love fresh fruits and vegetables. I'll definitely make a visit this Saturday. It's a great way to start the weekend. The park is really nice too, especially in the evenings. A lot of people go there for walks or just to relax. That sounds lovely. I am glad to hear there's a good park nearby. I enjoy evening walks. I do too. Maybe we can go for a walk together sometime. I would love that. It would be nice to have some company while exploring the neighborhood. Here, let me give you my phone number. That way, if you need anything, you can just text or call me. That's a great idea. Let me give you mine too. There you go. Now you have a friendly neighbor you can reach out to anytime. Thank you, Aisha. It's really nice to have someone like you nearby, especially since I am new here. I am glad to help. Moving to a new place can be overwhelming, but having a friend nearby makes it easier. It really does. I'm sure I will settle in quickly with your help. And don't worry, you will. The people in this building are really friendly too. We even have a community WhatsApp group where we share updates and plan get togethers. That sounds great. I would love to be added to the group. I'll send you an invite. It's a nice way to stay connected with everyone. Thanks, Aisha. I am looking forward to meeting more neighbors. You are welcome. If you need anything at all, don't hesitate to ask. I will, thank you. It's so nice to meet such a kind neighbor on my first day here. It's my pleasure, Sarah. Welcome to the neighborhood. I should get back to unpacking, but it was really nice meeting you, Aisha. Same here. If you need help with anything, just knock on my door. I am in and out most of the day. I'll keep that in mind. Thanks again, Aisha. I am glad we met. Me too, Sarah. See you around. See you. It's such a relief to meet a friendly neighbor like Aisha. This neighborhood already feels like home. Meeting new neighbors can be a wonderful experience. It's all about being open, friendly, and taking the first step to introduce yourself. You never know, you might make a great new friends in the process.